Welcome to a demonstration of the Evolve Online Learning Center platform. Once you sign into the course, you'll be taken to the course dashboard, which will show you your enrolled courses are found below. Click to access. Once you're in your course, you'll see that there is an option to customize your learning experience. You can create My Custom Education Plan, or you can download the pre-designed workshop summary guide. If you want to navigate the course on your own, here is a full list of the course content. It is made up of 10 individual subjects. Firstly, financial psychology, savings, expenses and budgeting, account management, loans and debt, credit profile, income, economic and government influences, risk management and insurance, investing and personal financial planning, and education and skill development. A full grey circle indicates that the subject has not been commenced. A half green, half grey circle indicates that the subject is in progress, and a full green circle indicates that the subject has been completed. In order to access the course, you can click on the title of the course, or you can click on Expand. For example, the financial psychology course is made up of 14 topics and 14 quizzes. Each topic has an attached quiz. If there's a green tick next to the topic, that indicates that the quiz has been completed, and so the topic has been completed. A grey circle next to the topic indicates that the quiz has not been completed. It's not necessary to complete the quiz in order to progress to the next topic. And even if you have completed the quiz, you can always reset the quiz so that it shows up as incomplete. If each one of the 10 subjects includes in its topic list a pre-test on that subject, a personal assessment on that subject, lesson warm-up on that subject, reasons to learn that subject, crib notes on that subject, visual education on that subject, a pre-education case study, and then the actual education and activity lessons, finishing off with a post-education case study of that subject and a post-test on that subject. For example, in the education activity of the subject, if you click on any one of them, it will take you to the title of the lesson, how long it is expected to take for you to read through the lesson, and often they include an overview, a video, a lecture, activity, and quiz. If you click on any of these options, it will jump straight down to the title. So first we have an overview of the lesson, a video of the lesson, the lecture, an activity, which is a downloadable PDF file, which you would access by clicking on this arrow, and finally a quiz. In order to proceed to the next lesson, you just click Next Topic. And if you would like to go back to the course, you can click on Course Progress and Navigation, and that will take you back to the course content. Thank you for watching this demonstration, and I hope that you found it useful.